Hey guys, and welcome back to FYI Friday. So this week's tip is about the lips. So I'm the type of person that I have like problems with my top lip being lower on this side than it is on this side. It drives me insane. It's just a problem that I always notice. And I also wish that my top lip was just a little bit more proportional to my bottom lip. It's something that I think one day I'll probably get fillers for it, but for now, lip liner is a bit cheaper. So basically what I do when I want to kind of combat that to make it just a little bit more even or to make my lips just look a little bit bigger, is I will overline my lips. So when you are overlining your lips, what you want to do is you don't want to start from the very outer corners of your lips and immediately start overlining your lips, because it's going to end up kind of looking somewhat like clown lips, which if you can make that work, if it works for you, totally go for it. Go for it. But for me personally, I just feel like it's just a little bit too much. So if you want a more natural look to it, something that isn't going to be as noticeable, like as noticeably overlined, what you want to do is instead start from the outer corners and begin lining your lips just like you would normally. So go right along the lip line, and then once you get kind of towards this like middle section here, that is where you just kind of want to go a little bit past the lip line. Top or bottom. That way the result that you end up getting is not like, oh my goodness, those are some ginormous, like not natural lips. It's more of like, are her lips really that thick, or are they really that proportionate to each other? Alright, so long story short, when you're overlining your lips, don't start from the outer corners and immediately overline. Start from your own lip line and then work to the middle, and then from there in the middle you want to overline. Alright guys, so hopefully this tip helped you guys. Hopefully I was able to explain it well enough for you. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button down below and to subscribe to my channel before you leave if you haven't already. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you in next week's FYI Friday video. Bye!